everyone. This video will talk about the computer system. Especially it will show the computer system's elements, classifications, capabilities, its limitations, its advantages, and its disadvantages. We are all aware of what computers are and their immense importance in our daily lives. It is an electronic device that not only stores data but also processes and manipulates data to carry out functions. Upon receiving valid instructions, a computer can perform a variety of operations. What allows us to perform such tasks on that computer is the computer system. A computer system is the sum total of all the components that makes up a fully functional computer. We will tackle first about the elements of a computer system. There are 6 main elements that makes up a computer system. They all interact with each other and perform the task at hand. Let us take a look at all of them. The first element is the hardware. These are all the physical aspects of a computer system. They are tangible. You can see and touch them. Hardware components are the electronic or mechanical instruments like keyboard, monitor, printer, etc. They help the users interface with the software and also display the result of the task being performed. The second element is the software. Software. Software is nothing but a set of programs which helps the user to do a set of specific tasks. It helps the user interact with the computer system with the help of hardware. Software, as you can imagine, is the intangible aspect of the computer system. And the third element is the people. The people interacting with the computer system are also an element of it. We call this element the liveware. They are the ultimate users of the computer systems. There are 3 types of people that interact with the system, namely programmers, professionals who write the computer programs that allow users to interact with the computer. They must have technical knowledge of computers and computer language. Second, system analysts. They mainly design data processing systems and solve problems that arise in data processing. Third, end users, also known as operators. They are the people who interact with the computer system. Third element is the procedures. These are a set of instructions written in code to instruct a computer on how to perform a task, run a software, do calculations, and etc. There are 3 types of procedures in a computer. They are: first, hardware-oriented procedure. Instructs the hardware components of the system, ensures they work smoothly. Second, software-oriented procedure. Provides instructions to launch and run software programs. Third, internal procedures. Directs the flow of information and sequences the data. And the fifth element is the data. And the last element of the computer system is the connectivity. Connectivity. This is when the computers are linked to a network. It facilitates sharing of information, files, and other facilities. Computers can connect to a network via LAN cables, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, satellites, and etc. The internet is the most obvious example of connectivity in a computer system. Let's proceed to the classification of the computer system. And there are 5. First is the PC, or the personal computer. PC, or personal computer. It is a single-user computer system having a moderately powerful microprocessor. It is termed as a computer that is equipped microprocessor as its CPU. Second is the workstation. Workstation. It is also a single-user computer system, similar to the personal computer, however, has a more powerful microprocessor. Third is the mini computer. It is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Fourth is the mainframe. Mainframe. It is a multi-user computer system capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Software technology is different from mini computer. And the last is the supercomputer. Supercomputer. It is an extremely fast computer which can execute hundreds of millions of instructions per second. Now let's proceed to the capabilities of computer system. These are the qualities that put in a positive light and make the user experience more efficient. First is the speed. Speed. Speed means the duration computer system requires in fulfilling a task or completing an activity. It is well known that computers need very little time than humans in completing a task. Generally, humans take into an account a second or minute as a unit of time. Nevertheless, computer systems have such fast operation capacity that the unit of time is fractions of a second. Second is the accuracy. Accuracy means the level of precision with which calculations are made and tasks are performed. One may invest years of his life in detecting errors in computer calculations or updating a wrong record. A large part of mistakes in computer-based information system or CBIS occurs due to bad programming, erroneous data, and deviation from rules. Third is the reliability. Reliability is the quality due to which the user can stay dependable on the computer. Computer systems are well adjusted to do repetitive tasks. They never get tired, bored, or fatigued. Hence, they are a lot reliable than humans. Still, there can be failures of a computer system due to internal and external reasons. And fourth is the adaptability. Adaptability of computer system means the quality of it to complete a different type of task, simple as well as complex. Computers are normally versatile unless designed for a specific operation. Lastly is the storage. Storage. Storage is the ability of the computer to store data in itself for accessing it again in future. Nowadays, apart from having instantaneous access to data, computers have a huge ability to store data in a little physical space. Now let's talk about the limitations of the computer systems. Limitations are the drawbacks of the computer system in which humans outperform them. These are the lack of common sense, zero IQ, the lack of decision making. Lack of common sense. This is one of the major limitations of computer systems. No matter how efficient, fast, and reliable computer systems might be, but yet do not have any common sense because no foolproof algorithm has been designed to program logic into them. As computers function based on the stored program, they simply lack common sense. Zero IQ. Another of the limitations of computer systems is that they have zero intelligence quotient. They are unable to see and think the actions to perform in a particular situation unless that situation is already programmed into them. Computers are programmable to complete each and every task, however small it may be. Lack of decision making. Decision making is a complicated process involving information, knowledge, intelligence, wisdom, and ability to judge. The computer system does not have the ability to make decisions on their own because they do not possess all the essentials of decision making. Computers is making human life faster because of its incredible speed, accuracy, and storage, with which human can save anything and search it out easily when needed. We can say that computer is a versatile machine because it is very flexible in performing their jobs. But computers have several important advantages and disadvantages. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of it. The first advantage of computer is multitasking. Multitasking. Multitasking is one of the major advantage of computer. Person can perform multitask, multiple operation, calculate numerical problems within few seconds. Computer can perform trillion of instructions per second. Second is the speed. Speed. No, computer is not just a calculating device. Nowadays, computer has very important role in human life. One of the main advantages of computer is its incredible speed, which helps human to complete their task in few seconds. All the operations can be performed very fast just because of its speed. Elsewise, it takes a long time to perform the task. Third advantage of computer is it stores huge amount of data. Stores huge amount of data. It is a low cost solution. Person can save huge data within a low budget. Centralized database of storing information is the major advantages that can reduce cost. The fourth advantage of computer is the accuracy. Accuracy. One of the root advantage of computer is that can perform not only calculations but also with accuracy. As we know, advantage comes with disadvantages. The first disadvantages is virus and hacking attacks. Virus is a worm and hacking is simply an unauthorized access over computer for some illicit purpose. Virus is being transferred from email attachment, viewing an infected website advertisement, though removable device like USB, etc. Once virus is transferred in host computer, it can infect file, overwrite the file. Second disadvantage of computer is the online cybercrimes. Online cybercrime means computer and network may have used in order to commit crime. Cyberstalking and identity theft are the points which comes under online cybercrimes. For example, one may get the access to your shopping account like Amazon account. Now that person will be able to know your personal details like the debit card or the credit card number which can be then misused. And the last advantages of computer is the reduction in employment opportunity. Reduction in employment opportunity. Mainly past generation was not used of the computer or they have the knowledge of computer. They faced a big problem when computer came in field. As we have seen in banking sector, senior bank employees faced this problem when computer came to the banking sector. Computer systems are everywhere today, from business to entertainment, from shopping to education, in our daily lives, communication, and in every situation. Now, it is very difficult to imagine a world without computers. Now, let's end the today's session video. I hope you learned something from it, especially the importance of computer system. That's all. Thank you.